Welcome back to our grammar class. You know very well that today I have to teach you case. केस को हिंदी में हम कहते हैं कारक, और केस भी एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है ग्रामर में, जिसको समझना हमारे लिए बहुत ही जरूरी होता है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू व्हाट केस इज. Case in grammar. Shows the relation, shows the relation of noun and pronoun with other words in a sentence. When we define case, we say that this shows the relation of noun and pronoun. This is very important. Noun and pronoun both exist in a sentence. किसी भी sentence में noun और pronoun दोनों हुआ करता है, और यह सेंटेंस के दूसरे वर्ड के साथ जो इसका रिलेशन होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? उसको हम केस कहते हैं. जैसे सपोज करो हमने लिखा एग्जाम्पल, राम रीड्स ए बुक. Here Ram is noun, reads is verb, and this a book, it is also a noun. This noun acts as a subject. Here this noun acts as a subject and another noun acts as an object. इस सेंटेंस में क्या है? दो नाउन है, जिसमें एक नाउन जो है वह किसके रूप में यूज हो रहा है? सब्जेक्ट के रूप में हो रहा है, वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज हो रहा है, और दूसरा नाउन जो है बुक या वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज हो रहा है. एंड व्हाट इज वर्ब हियर? यहां वर्ब क्या है? तो यहां वर्ब है रीड्स. दिस रीड्स इज ए वर्ब. हियर वी कम टू सी दैट देयर आर two nouns in a sentence, but one is used as a subject in the sentence while other is used as an object in the sentence. So now we can come to know about the kinds of case. The first one is nominative case. This is also called subjective case. This nominative case is said to be subjective case also. It has two names because you know very well that when noun and pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, when noun and pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, it is called a nominative case. When noun or pronoun is used as a subject of the verb. As a subject of the verb, it is called, it is known as nominative case. It is known as nominative case or subjective case. Here you have to understand it very carefully, because you know that whenever any sentence is written by us, what happens? Either there are two things over there, subject and verb, or in other cases, subject, verb, and object are present in a sentence. Now we have to understand about nominative case. And you know very well that this nominative case, which is also called subjective case. So name itself says why it is called a subjective case, because you know that the noun and pronoun which is used here is used as a subject of the verb. Here it is used as a subject of the verb. जैसे he plays cricket. अब in this sentence, what we come to see, that this he is a pronoun as well as a subject. This plays is a verb, and cricket, yes, just sorry for interruption. Let me start from there itself. Yes, what we were saying, that this he, as it is pronoun and used as a subject in the sentence. Plays, you know, this is verb, and this cricket is noun as well as it is an object. This sentence is in nominative case, because you know that the noun or pronoun is used as a subject of the sentence, subject of the verb. Very interestingly, you will know one thing. देखो कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है ये, कि अभी है तो ये नॉमिनेटिव केस, क्योंकि इसका जो सब्जेक्ट है वह क्या है, प्रोनाउन है, लेकिन यह नाउन, यहां क्रिकेट जो है ये क्या है, यह ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में भी है. तो बहुत सारा ऐसा सेंटेंस है जिसमें व्हाट आई कम टू सी, दैट द सेम सेंटेंस इज used both as nominative case and objective case, because here this cricket is a noun and it is used as an object here. यहां यह किसके रूप में यूज हो रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में भी यूज हो रहा है. तो जब यह ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज होता है, जब अभी मैंने बताया कि जब नाउन और प्रोनाउन ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज होता है, देन इट बिकम्स व्हाट, देन इट बिकम्स एन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. एंड व्हाई it is used as a noun, this noun and pronoun, when it is used as a subject of the verb, then it becomes what, then it becomes nominative case or subjective case. Now we have to know about objective case also. What does it become? Second one is objective case. What an objective case is? As we have seen in nominative case, that noun and pronoun is used as a subject of the verb. When noun and pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, it becomes what? It becomes nominative case. And here we are going to know about objective case. So what will happen here? यहाँ क्या होगा? तो यहाँ noun और pronoun जो है वह verb के object के रूप में यूज होगा. So when noun and pronoun is used as an object of the verb in a sentence, it is known as objective case. When noun or pronoun is used, when noun or pronoun is used as an object, when noun or pronoun is used as an object of the verb, it is known as an objective case. It is known as an objective case. When noun and pronoun is used as an object of the verb, it is known as an objective case. What was happening in the case of nominative case? Nominative case, when noun or pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, it is known as nominative case or subjective case. Because you know very well that this nominative case is also said subjective case, because noun or pronoun is used as a subject over there. And here in objective case, what happens? When noun or pronoun is used as an object of the verb, this is called an objective case. As for example, we know that Mohan reads a book. Here what happens? You know very well. Well, what I was saying, that in objective case what happens? You show both the cases at a time. In nominative case, when noun or pronoun is used as a subject of the verb, then it becomes what? Then it becomes nominative case. Or in the same time, when noun or pronoun is used as an object of the verb, it is known as an objective case. Suppose here example is Mohan reads a book. This Mohan is what? Subject here. Reads is verb, and this a book is an object here. Along with subject, what it is besides subject? We know that besides subject it is noun. And this one is also besides subject. What it becomes? Besides subject, this is also a noun. So what I come to see here? Here we see that there are two nouns in a sentence. One is Mohan and other is book. Both of them are nouns. But what the difference is? In first case you see that this noun acts as a subject of the verb, while this noun acts as an object of the verb. Here it is an objective case. But in this case, what you will see, that this become nominative case or subjective case also. तो जिस समय मैंने आपको बताया कि जब हम ऑब्जेक्टिव केस और नॉमिनेटिव केस की बात करते हैं तो उस समय क्या होता है कि जब हम ऑब्जेक्टिव केस की बात करते हैं उस समय नाउन और प्रोनाउन जो होगा वह वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में काम करेगा। जैसे यहां बुक क्या है, नाउन है, और यह वर्ब के ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में काम कर रहा है। तो यहां वर्ब क्या है, यहां वर्ब रीड्स है, जिसके ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में बुक काम कर रहा है, और यह रीड्स का सब्जेक्ट क्या है, मोहन है, जो यहां यह भी नाउन है लेकिन यह किसके रूप में काम कर रहा है, सब्जेक्ट के रूप में काम कर रहा है। तो व्हेन वी सी इंडिविजुअली in nominative case and objective case, there I come to see that whenever any noun or pronoun acts as a subject of the verb, in that case what it becomes? It becomes in nominative case. But at the same time, when this noun and pronoun acts as an object of the verb, this is common to both the sentences. This reads की कौन सा फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है, रीड्स V5 है। यू मस्ट बी नोइंग एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल द 5 फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब बिकॉज यू नो दैट द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब प्ले एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन फ्रेमिंग आउट ए सेंटेंस because you have to frame out so many sentences, and in every tense, in every kind of sentence, the form of verb is changed. That is why we advise our students to remember the form of verbs always. हमेशा हम लोग कहते हैं अपने बच्चों को कि क्या करना है, आपको फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब याद करना है। अगर आपने फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब याद कर लिया, जैसे अभी यहां अगर तुमको कोई पूछता है कि ये रीड्स कौन सा फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब है, तो you will have to answer that this is V5. This is fifth form of verb. And in this case, while I was talking about objective case, and in objective case how it is defined? In objective case we say that when noun or pronoun is used as an object of the verb, it is known as an objective case. लेकिन काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैंने नॉमिनेटिव केस के समय भी तुमको कहा था कि जब एक ही सेंटेंस में कैसे सब्जेक्टिव केस और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस साथ साथ होता है, जस्ट सी इट। अब जैसे यहां क्या है, मोहन रीड्स ए बुक, तो मोहन यहां सब्जेक्ट है और क्या है, नाउन है। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस इट बिकेम नॉमिनेटिव केस। इसको हम नॉमिनेटिव केस भी कह सकते हैं। और यहां क्या है, यहां ए बुक, यहां भी ये नाउन है और किसके रूप में यूज हो रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज हो रहा है। तो यहां इसको हम क्या कहेंगे, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस। तो इन दैट सर्कमस्टांसेस व्हाट हैपेंस, इन द सेम सेंटेंस इज यूज्ड बोथ एज नॉमिनेटिव केस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव केस। एक ही सेंटेंस में हम सब नॉमिनेटिव केस और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस दोनों को बताते हैं। कभी कभी क्या होता है, सपोज करो कि हमको इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव केस के बारे में बताना है, लेकिन वो अगर ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा, समटाइम्स व्हेन दिस इज नॉट यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, इन दैट केस व्हाट इट विल बिकम, इट विल देन देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ओवर देयर। बट when both the subject and verb, because you know very well, one thing is very important. Suppose I frame out a sentence. In framing out a sentence, two things are very essential. And what are those two things? One is subject and another is verb. Without the presence of a verb, there is no possibility of a sentence. It may be possible that there will be no object in the sentence. Suppose just take an example of this very sentence itself. What you see, suppose I read or write, Mohan reads. Is it a sentence or not? Yes, it is also a sentence. But this Mohan, as you know very well, that this is what? This is noun. And this reads. What does it become here? It is verb. Then this sentence is completed. Even if we don't write Mohan reads a book. In that circumstances also, the sentence is completed because a sentence requires two things. And what are those two things? One is Mohan and another is reads. The sentence is already completed. In next case, you see that suppose I read Mohan or a book. Here, Mohan is a subject and a book is an object. Is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. Because if two things are written over there, only subject and object, if two things are over there, then there is no possibility of a sentence. In order to have a sentence, it is always essential to have verb over there. Unless and until the verb is not in a sentence, there is no sentence over there. So, in this particular sentence only, we can come to see what happens. Mohan reads a book. In this sentence, subject, verb and object. Three things are here. This is a sentence. In another sentence, what I wrote, Mohan reads. That is also a sentence because subject and verb is over there. And since subject and verb is over there, you know very well that it has also become a sentence. But if I wrote only Mohan or a book, it means it is not a sentence because